Good day everyone, welcome to another GDevelop 5 tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create stages in GDevelop 5. So this tutorial was made of someone's request in my previous video, and that means you can also make your request by placing it as a comment below. So in creating stages in GDevelop 5, it has to do with your creativity. um I'm currently working on a game. I have 18 stages. So out of these 18, I will be like making two to actually show you how it's done, to give you a preview of what it's like to make a stage. So first of all, I'll just open a scene. I haven't actually done anything here. Okay, except for my character. I have my character placed in. Okay, I'll just delete this. Okay, so first of all, now in creating a stage, I would recommend you use grid. You can just click on this here, um show grid. It's not actually placed, so set up grid. Cell width, I think I would recommend you use 70/70 for your cell width to get the actual size, or to get the actual size. Okay, so now let's just pull this into place. Now as you can see, it properly fits into this. So if we were to like pull anything into the scene, it will automatically fit into this, so we don't actually have to like be trying to make sure it's on a straight path. We can just easily do it with our grid. So now first of all, in creating a stage, let's we have a platform placed here. This is where our character can walk, run, and jump on. You can add a platform by, at the bottom of the objects list, add an object, sprite, behavior. You can add it here. You can add. So you select your tile. Select what you want to use as your platform. So I've already done that. Then you come to behaviors, and you add a behavior, and you set that to platform. This is where a character platform a character can walk, and carry out activities on. So we actually need that. So second of all, I recommend we add some obstacles. Let's add some obstacles. Okay, obstacles. Okay, I'll just add the tiled grass platform because this is saved as um this is saved as a platform, so our character can actually walk and run on it. So if we set it here, I think our character should be able to jump on it. Okay, here. Okay, our character can actually jump on it. Okay, here, our character can actually jump on it, so we need to bring this lower. Let's pull that down. Oh, we can actually put it there because we need our character to be able to like move under. So let's run that. As you can see, our character can actually jump on this now. I think this would be good to like add into your games. Now let's add some other things. Okay, let's add some other things like okay, let's create a ladder so our character can actually climb. This is like a preview of what a stage your stage could look like. You can actually put anything. This is GDevelop 5. It's a drag and drop game engine, so we can actually like add anything. Just it's just being creative, that what matters. So let's add this so our character can actually climb this, and let's increase this. Let's increase the platform. Let's increase the main platform. Okay, so let's add another ladder here so our character can actually come down. Our character can jump down, but you can choose to add this or remove it. So we can add some enemies. Let's add this. Alright. let's add slime walk. Okay, this to make the your game much more interesting, because if people get this in it, they would like want to play it. So it actually boosts your game, and we can add this. And now, okay, all this, let's add a stage exit. Now remember, okay, before we do that, you come to your project manager. Now, as you can see here, GDevelop creates every stage as a scene. So it's here you can see, click to add a scene. So we can actually rename this. Rename first. Let's name that stage 1. So if you actually need another like stage, you just click here to add. Now you add that new scene. Now let's rename that to stage 2. Now we actually have 2. Now guys, if we click on this, there's nothing here. Why? Because some of our objects, the objects here are not duplicated in this stage, in stage 2. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Without having to like add an object for every single scene you have. So first of all, let's create a stage exit. You can actually use anything for your stage exit. Okay, I'll use this win. Oh sorry, I took out my grid. Show grid. Yeah, this is this win. So you come to your stage events. In the box. Add. Let's add a new empty events layer. So collision player hitbox in collision with win. Now add action. We change. Okay, just type in scene. You change the scene. That's the scene. That's the new scene we created. Stage 2. Now that's our new scene. So now, if our character is in collision with this, it actually takes a character to this new scene. That's our stage 2. Now, there are like 2 ways to get what you want on this stage here to this stage. So I will show you the first one. Now let's cancel this. You come to your project manager, stage 1. Click on these 3 dots here, as you can see here, copy, and you right click anywhere on the stage and click on paste. As you can see, it duplicates the stage and brings it here. So now if we edit this, sorry, let's rename that. Oh no, we have to like we don't need this stage, so delete that. There we go. Now we have stage 12. We actually need it to be stage 2. So stage 2. Now we copied from stage 1 and pasted it on stage 2. So whatever we have on stage 1 is automatically copied onto stage 2. So we don't have to actually keep on adding objects into your stage 2 and stage 3 and keep on going. You can either choose to do that, or I would recommend another method, that's making an object a global object. Okay, let's go with our player green. Okay, no box. Now let's click on this box. As you can see, scroll down, this is set as global object. If you set an object as a global object, it actually duplicates this object. Here you can see the object will be loaded and available on all scenes. This is recommended for objects that you reuse a lot and can't be undone. So if you do this, you can't actually undo it. So you actually need to know, you actually need to be sure before you do this. But I don't think this is actually good, because you can actually undo it, and you may have, so you can undo it. So I would recommend you use this one I showed you. Copy and paste. That way everything is automatically copied, so you can easily all you need to do is just edit the stage we is all you need to do is just edit the stage, so you can just like add some more things. You can just edit the stage, therefore you have everything there, so there's like no there's like no issue in editing it. So it's really easy, and I would recommend it when you're creating multiple stages, because you don't actually have to waste time, adding objects after object. Because if you need an object in stage, if you have an object in stage 1, you need it in stage 2. If you follow this the normal the normal process, you have to add it again and again and again, and that means you have to add the events all over again. But if you just copy and paste it, you don't actually have to add it, because everything is copied to the other stage. So all you need to do is just to change your stage, that's to like edit it. So it's really simple. You should try that out, and thank you. That's how it's done.